The protect you and cheesy. Now, I always wear gloves when I sort laundry for two reasons. It's dirty clothes, number one. Number two, handling a lot of clothes makes your skin dry. So, just an added protectant. So we're going to sort some laundry. We don't ever want to sort it by the washer. During the busy season, if we have to step away, then that ties up that space that somebody could be using to fill their washer. And or someone could grab clothes that weren't theirs. So we want to sort them at the table. That gives us room to walk away if we need to, number one. And number two, to make sure that if there's anything in the clothes that need to be stain treated or discard from the load, we can see that. So I just go ahead and go through each one individually, just kind of eyeball it. This is a wash dry go.
Oh, this is a wash dry full.
I'm sorry, this is a wash dry full.
And
So
that's because it's a Laundry Basket Express customer.
yes. So we want to look for stains that we can stain treat if necessary as part of that service. So with after 26 or any aprons really, you want to tie them off before you wash them. You don't have to be extreme. It's just a good tie. Otherwise they'll knot up. You'll have some fun trying to get them apart. Another thing you want to do with after 26 is always check the pockets, or really any aprons. There could be straws or ketchup packets or ink pens or whatnot.